What? Again? Oh my God. Oh, guys, every time you open Instagram, somebody is screaming, oh, Modern is dead. Yeah, and then you scroll one more video. Oh, classic is happening. Oh, scroll again. Yeah, everything should be organic. Oh, goodness. Then another expert tells you, no, everything should be Art Deco. And then 5 minutes later, you're sitting on your own sofa thinking, oh, I don't even know what century I live in anymore. Oh my God, guys, please, we gotta talk. So, welcome to Design Unfiltered. I'm not gonna be filtered today, I promise. I try to be filtered, but you know what? I can't help it because I'm here to tell the truth. And today, we're finally settled one of the biggest arguments in interior design. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. Modern versus classic. Oh, well, who's right? Who's wrong? Oh yeah, hi guys, who's fabulous? And who's about to spend $50,000 making their house look like a furniture store that went through an identity crisis? No! Whoa, guys. Well, let's begin. And I got right here, on this corner, round one. Yeah, I'm gonna say it. The chair and that corner. Yeah, classic. The chair with carved legs, rolled arms, beautiful wood details. Oh yeah. And enough personality to deserve its own passport. Ooh. And in the other corner, guys. Ooh, there it is. Modern. Oh yeah. Here we go, clean lines. Yeah, simple silhouette. Oh, no ornament. Oh, no drama. Well, yeah, basically, the chair looked at decoration and said, oh, yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So, which one wins? Okay, here we go. All right. Classic immediately says luxury. It has history. It has character. Yeah, like me. Craftsmanship. Oh, guys, it feels collected. Yeah, let's see that one. Okay, well, Modern says confidence. Oh, yeah, it doesn't need 12 carvings, okay? And doesn't need 17 tassels to prove I'm beautiful. Oh my God, who wins? Guys, you're gonna keep score. Keep score, okay? All right, now, let's talk comfort. Here's the funny part. Some classic chairs look so comfortable. You expect your grandmother to appear with fresh cookies. Yes, oh yeah, I can't wait for that one. Here, chocolate chip with extra dots for me, please. And then some modern chairs look so uncomfortable. They're basically saying, oh yeah, you can sit, but only emotionally. But then, yeah, yes, some modern Italian chairs are unbelievable. I can't believe it. Yeah, I've seen them. Unbelievably comfortable. And yet, some antique chairs remind you that people in the 1700s apparently didn't believe in lower backs. Okay, so who's the winner? Well, neither. Buy the chair that fits your body, not your ego, guys. Because your spine, doesn't really care about what style it is. So, something to think about. And then we got, I heard a ching ching. Here, round two. Sofa. Sofa. Yeah. Classic sofas are generous. Oh, yeah. Oh, guys, they have rolled arms. Ooh, deep cushions. I need it. I'm tall. Oh, gosh, beautiful details. They practically whisper. Yeah. Come here. Let's watch 3 movies. Sit on me, please. Yes, that's a classic sofa. But then you got modern sofas. They have cleaner lines, lower profiles, less visual weight. They make a room feel larger and more sophisticated. Yes, it's happening as we speak. But here is what makes me laugh. Yeah, okay. People buy these gigantic modern sectionals. But then no reached the coffee table. Guys, I need coffee, you know. I need a little coffee talk with you because you practically need a golf cart just to hand someone the remote. Yeah, but on the other hand, some traditional sofas have so many pillows. You need archaeological equipment just to find, where is it? The seat. Oh, again. Guys, neither style wins. The right sofa is the one that fits your room and of course the people living there. Just saying. Okay, 0-0. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, we all got one of these at home, don't we? Oh, yes, we do. I know I saw one in my house somewhere. It was there. I walked right by it. The kitchen. Yes. This one starts, for sure, family arguments, guys. Yeah, classic kitchens. Oh, guys, raised doors. Ooh, beautiful moldings. Yes, warm woods. Oh, la, 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 la. Oh, decorative details everywhere. They feel timeless. Oh, yeah, figure what kitchen I got, the one that I walked by. Modern kitchens. Yeah, right there in that corner. Flat cabinetry. Heating handles. Wait, that had handles? Yeah, they were really hidden. Yeah, minimal lines. Everything disappears, including where you put the silverware. So I've opened modern cabinets before that felt like solving a Rubik's Cube. Oh, guys, everything was hitting, trust me. It was a good thing when they hit that refrigerator, saved me lots of calories. But you actually almost need GPS to find the forks when it comes to classic kitchen utensils in your modern kitchen. Classic kitchens feel welcoming. Yeah, they do. Oh, yeah. Well, modern kitchens feel architectural. One feels like a Sunday dinner. The other one feels like the future. Both are beautiful if they are designed correctly. You figure that one out. Who gets that point? Here we go. Ding, ding, round 4. The dining room. Oh, yeah. Classic dining rooms are elegant. Ooh, yeah, crystal chandeliers, rich wood, beautiful fabric. Everything says, please pass the wine. Ooh, yes, Cabernet for me, as you know. But then you got modern dining room over here. Modern dining rooms are lighter, yeah, cleaner, yeah, more open. They almost tell everyone, how guys, relax. Relax, no one has to wear a tuxedo tonight. Yeah, we can even order takeout, okay? Just saying. So, I'm gonna say my favorite observation. People buy dining tables that seat 16. Oh, yeah. And then they tell me, oh, God, no. We never entertain. Yeah, well, wonderful. Now the table has a larger social life than the owners. Oh, yeah. Buy the dining room that fits your lifestyle, not your fantasy lifestyle. Just saying, yeah, unless you want to just go ahead and put that pizza on that large palatial, whether it's modern or classic table. Why not? Feel like the king and queen of your own castle. You decide who gets that point. Now, here we go. Oh, this is always a good one. Oh, yeah. Round 5, guys. The bedroom. Oh, yeah. The bedroom. Well, yeah. Easy. Oh, yeah. Classic bedroom feel. Oh, guys, romantic. Ooh, very romantic, layered. Oh, because you're gonna feel the plushness. Yes, layered fabrics, detailed headboards, warm lighting, just like luxury hotels, because luxury hotels have been using these ideas forever. Yeah, but now we got modern bedrooms. They feel peaceful. Yeah, a little less visual, less visual noise, let's say. There's noise somewhere, anywhere, right? Somewhere in the bedroom, you'll have some noise, I hope. Yeah, but simple forms, clean architecture. Guys, both can feel very luxurious. No problema, baby. But I'll say it. Here's where people make mistakes. Ooh, minimalism does not mean removing personality. No, not my book. And yet, classic doesn't mean adding every pillow sold on Amazon or wherever. There's always a happy middle, a happy medium, a happy half scale. Well, your bedroom should help you sleep, not challenge you to a decorating contest. It's a bedroom, guys. You're gonna close your eyes anyways. Just make it comfortable. Just saying, yeah. All right, so with all that being said, finally, yes, let's talk the accessories. Oh, yeah. We got accessories. Well, I gotta tell you guys, this is where everybody panics. Yeah. Oh, I've seen them panic. They all do. When I say, oh, let's accessorize, they're like, oh. Okay, I have a modern house. Can I own an antique mirror? Well, yeah. Why not? And then I got another one over there. Oh, yeah. I have a traditional home. Oh, can I use contemporary art or a mirror with LED and mix it? Well, guys, absolutely. And I got this one here. Oh, yeah. What do you got? Oh, I have a crystal chandelier. Can I use it with modern dining chairs? Yeah, just saying. In fact, that's usually, I'm gonna let you guys know, you on this corner, you on this corner, and you over there. That's usually where, yes, magic happens. Magic happens, guys, when you mixed. The biggest myth in interior design is believing everything has to match. Oh, no! Oh, who said no matchy, matchy? No. Remember the song? No matchy, matchy. No matchy, matchy. No matchy, matchy for anyone. Remember that song, okay? Because nature doesn't match. Fashion doesn't match. Yeah, blends. I mean, yeah, tied together. But don't match it, guys. Luxury hotels don't match. Never. Collected homes definitely don't match. They coordinate. They balance. Ooh, go watch my Design Authority talking about balance and timeless forever design. That's what keeps them interesting. Always and forever and beyond. So, okay, here we go. Let's keep going. I'm having fun. Are you having fun yet? Yeah, I am. So here's the secret that no one actually talks about, guys. Yes, I'll say it. Ooh, modern furniture. Yes, actually looks better when it has a little history around it. And then also classic furniture often comes alive when it's paired with something unexpected. That's what designers mix. Contrast creates excitement. Yes, it is everything. It's called eclectic. It's called fusion. It's called creative. Because if everything is classic, the room can also feel heavy. Oh, yeah. Oh, I've seen some of those. Oh, yeah. And if everything is modern, sometimes it feels like the furniture's afraid to speak. Guys, mix them. Please mix them. And suddenly, they're having a wonderful conversation. Yes. Let's think about it now, since we're on subject. Does that mean, you should buy random furniture and hope for the best? No. That's not called eclectic, okay? That's called confusion, guys. A successful mixed interior still has scale and balance, important. Harmony, yeah, a common color story, yeah, of course, a common level of quality, yeah. Everything still belongs together. It's just not wearing the exact same outfit. Oh, yeah. So, who won today's championship? Oh, votes here. Modern or classic? Well, guess what? I got news for you guys. Neither. The real winner is the homeowner. You guys. The one who stops asking, what's the style? What's that? And starts asking, what that influencer said? Made him king of design. Now, what tells my story? is what you need to know. Because trends come and go. Oh yeah, they just went. 10 more trends just went out since I started talking to you guys. I saw them go out the window. Yeah, you know that trends do come and go. Styles evolve. Yes, but beautiful design has never ever been about choosing sides. So I choose no one's side, not this, not that. It's about knowing how to combine the best of every world. Both worlds, yeah, and every world. That's exactly what designers do. I mean, we're not referees, guys. Yeah, no. We're actually matchmakers. Here I go. Matchmaker, matchmaker, make me a match. No, no matchy matchy. No. We introduce modern to classic and hope they live happily ever after. And if they don't, oh well, that's what redesigns are made for. Oh, this is going. I'll see you next time on Design Unfiltered, where we tell the truth with just enough sarcasm or honesty or unfiltered or whatever to save you from buying another chair that looks amazing until you actually sit on it.